Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hearts of Iron 4 game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart stream or restart your PC. So click on this word stream and then click on exit. This will exit the stream, then relaunch stream, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to run launcher installer Windows file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hearts of Iron 4 game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now here look for the launcher installer Windows file. Here it is. First double click it. Here you will see welcome to Paradox Launcher V2 setup wizard. Click on next, click on next, click on install and just wait for it to install. Now here you can see completed the Paradox Launcher V2 setup wizard. Click on finish and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to launch the game using the HOI4 exe file from game installation folder. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. Now look for the game exe file. Here it is, HOI4 exe file. Now double click this HOI4 exe file and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to uninstall Paradox Launcher and then launch the Hearts of Iron 4. It should install launcher and the game should start. So open Windows settings. On the left click on apps, then click on installed apps and here in the search for Paradox Launcher. Now in my case there are two Paradox Launcher. If you have one Paradox Launcher, don't worry, and if you have two Paradox Launcher, don't worry. You have to uninstall all of them. So click on this three dot and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again to confirm it and then click on uninstall, close it and then click on this three dot, uninstall it. And after uninstalling the Paradox Launcher, open Steam, click on play button and then click on play Hearts of Iron 4 and while launching the game it will launch the Paradox Launcher. You can see it installing the Paradox Launcher. So just wait for the Paradox Launcher to get complete and once the Paradox Launcher get installed, it will launch the game and your problem will solve. Here you can see that Paradox Launcher has been launched and then you can click on play button and the game should work fine. Now let me close the game. If still your problem is not solved, then you can also install the latest version of Paradox Launcher from the Paradox official website. So you can go to this Paradox website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Paradox official website, scroll down and here you can see Paradox Launcher v.2. Click on Windows. And once this Paradox Launcher installer get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to delete the Hearts of Iron 4 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings and you have to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Hearts of Iron 4 saved game folder. Open File Explorer. On the left click on Documents. Here you will see Paradox Interactive folder, open it. And here you can see Hearts of Iron 4 saved game folder. First right click on it, copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it and then just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game from game installation folder. I have already mentioned this earlier. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Here you will find the exe file, HOI4 exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties Then go to the Compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking this HOI4.exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down, select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 9 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users, in Windows search type NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab and here you will see check for updates icon. Click on it, and if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So simply click on download and install, and then after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So open the AMD Adrenal software and update your graphic card driver, and after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type of Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hearts of Iron 4 game folder. Now select the HOI4.exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the Hearts of Iron 4 game folder, select HOI4.exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here you can see Hearts of Iron 4, it is already added, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 11 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -Vulkan. So open Steam, right click on Hearts of Iron 4 game and then click on properties. Now in the launch option, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -Vulkan, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, close the tab and then click on play button again, and this time select launch game skip launcher and then click on play and see if that helps or not. Fix 13 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open. Now click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hearts of Iron 4 game folder. Now select this HOI4.exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. In the general tab, you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, or any other overlay app. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for Updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall Hearts of Iron 4 game, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Hearts of Iron 4 game crashing, crashes to desktop or crashes at startup on PC. So that's all for this video. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Hearts of Iron 4 game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.